back to XLR Studies, and I am Leela, and today we are going to start our fourth exercise in chapter trigonometry. And let's start the exercise. And before starting the exercise, we have to see some basic formulas. There are three basic formulas, and they are not formulas, they are identities for doing exercise 11.4. And totally this exercise 11.4 is totally based on those three formulas. So let's look at them. So friends, here you can see it is first formula is of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and the second formula is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and the third formula is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So we are going to do proof for these three formulas, and let's do the proof. First one. So we are going to take a right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees, and let's name the triangle as A, B and C. So in this right angle triangle ABC, according to our formula, first we will take sin theta and cos theta is equal to opposite side to, let's take A as theta. Okay, A as theta. So opposite side to theta is BC by hypotenuse is AC, and cos theta is equal to adjacent side, so AB by AC. So let's do the sum of these two squares. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to BC by AC whole square plus AB by AC whole square. Okay, so then it becomes BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. So then it becomes AB square plus BC square whole by AC square. So we know, according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is going to be AC square. So AC square by AC square. So AC square by AC square is equal to 1. So the first identity is proved. So basically the first important identity for exercise 11.4 is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So friends, once look at the full view of the board. So friends, now we are describing our second important identity for exercise 11.4. So it is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So basically secant theta formula is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So it is going to be AC by AB whole square. And tan square theta formula is going to be opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by AC AB whole square. Tan theta is equal to tan square theta is equal to BC by AB the whole square. So then it becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta becomes AC square by AB square minus BC square by AB square. So friends, basically it becomes AC square minus BC square whole by AB square. So here AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the one of the side. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, if we subtract any side square from hypotenuse square, then it gives the other side. So according to this formula, so AC square minus BC square is going to be AB square in this right angle triangle. AB square whole by AB square. So AB square cancel is equal to 1. So like this we have proved the second identity, that is the secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is also very important formula in exercise 1.4. Once take a full view. So friends, our third formula is going to be cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosecant theta is equal to reciprocal to sin theta, that is hypotenuse by opposite side. So AC by BC. So cosecant square theta is going to be AC by BC whole square, and cot square theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So AB by BC the whole square. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square. Okay. So according to this formula, AC square minus AB square whole by BC square. So AC square minus AB square. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, it is going to be BC square. And again BC square by BC square. So BC square is going to be cancelled, and the answer is 1. So finally, the third important identity in trigonometry for exercise 1.4 is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Once take a full view. So friends, here we have started exercise 11.4. So this exercise 11.4 is totally based on the 3 important identities we discussed in a back few minutes. So let's start. Here there are 3 bits totally in the first sum. There are totally 7 sums, I think, in exercise 11.4. So we are doing the first sum, first bit. So let's do it. So here the first sum, first bit is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta of 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So like this, here we are changing this tan theta right down here. We know the formula of tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta, and also we have changed the secant theta into 1 by cos theta, because both cos theta and the secant theta are reciprocal to each other. So here also we have changed this cot theta into cos theta by sin theta, as the cot is reciprocal to tan, and also sin theta by cos theta reciprocal is cos theta by sin theta. So also cosecant theta also we have changed into 1 by sin theta according to the formula. So sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal to each other, and we have changed this 1 as 1 by 1. Here also this 1 as 1 by 1. We can write 1 as 1 by 1. So let's do the sum. Here the LCM of this whole, now this step is going to be this step. So the LCM is going to be cos theta for this part, and the numerator becomes cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. And here in this part the LCM is going to be sin theta for all, and here numerator becomes sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So if we multiply the both terms, it becomes down cos theta into sin theta, and here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 of sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So if we see here, it is also cos theta plus sin theta. It is also cos theta plus sin theta, and the one which is different is a plus 1 and this minus 1. So according to the formula a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square. So here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 whole square by cos theta into sin theta. So then it becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So we, according to the identity, here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, no? We have discussed. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 whole by cos theta sin theta. So here plus 1 and this minus 1 got cancelled. So here what is left? 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. So cos theta sin theta gets cancelled. So the answer is finally 2. So this is the final answer of bit number 1. Once take a full view of the board. So friends, here we have came up to the second sum and second bit in the first sum. So let's do it. Here they have given that sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square according to the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. we can do it. So it becomes sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta plus sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. So here it is a plus 2 sine theta cos theta, and here it is a minus 2 sine theta cos theta. The two are going to be gets cancelled. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the sum is solved. So the answer is 2. So the second bit, it is sine theta plus cos theta the whole square plus sine theta minus cos theta whole square. Then it becomes sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta plus sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. So plus 2 sine theta and plus 2 sine theta cos theta and minus 2 sine theta cos theta gets cancelled. So finally it becomes 1 plus 1. It is because the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here also sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. So friends, here there are totally 3 bits in first sum. So I have explained first bit and second bit, and you have to do the third bit, because if you do your own, you can improve your creativity. So like that you have to complete your third bit as a homework. If there is any doubt in doing that, you can ask me in the comment section below. So please do like and share this video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.